Hi, I'm Melody Shields. Linda Glover's Gooch Studio today. And we're getting some painting tips. This is varnish that you put on top of paintings. It protects the paintings. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for joining us here at YouTube. Bye.
Hi, I'm Natalie Firek. I'm Linda covered Goose Studio. Today, learning about fan brushes. That's a fan brush. See the shape? These on some powerlessness. Thank you for joining. See you next time.
Hi guys, today I'm Landon Firek in Gooch Studio and palette knife, and you mix colors. Fan brush was to paint, soften clouds, and paint with Gigi and me. We paint to clouds. We use these to paint in the scoop in the studio, and that's all today. Bye. These are my painting tips, and that's all I just have for you. Bye.